Welcome to our portable washing machine showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two fantastic options: the DFJKJUU portable washing machine and the Sangukiro portable washing machine. Both machines are designed for those who need efficient laundry solutions in tight spaces, such as apartments, dorms, or while traveling. We'll look at their features, pricing, and performance to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine is priced at $77, while the Sangukiro model is more budget-friendly at $68.99. This makes the Sangukiro a more attractive option for those looking to save some money without sacrificing functionality. Next, let's discuss the control types. The DFJKJUU features a traditional push-button control, while the Sangukiro boasts a modern touch control panel. This sleek interface not only looks better, but also enhances user experience, making the Sangukiro more appealing for tech-savvy users. Weight is another important factor for portable devices. The DFJKJUU weighs 4.67 pounds, while the Sangukiro is slightly lighter at 4.52 pounds. This difference may seem small, but for frequent travelers, every ounce counts. The Sangukiro's lighter weight makes it a more convenient option for those on the go. In conclusion, both the DFJKJUU and Sangukiro portable washing machines offer great features for their price. The DFJKJUU provides a robust build and larger capacity, while the Sangukiro stands out with its affordability and modern interface. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like this.